English, baby.
All right, everyone. Andy here, and it's time for magic trick and desserts.
What's supposed to happen?
The fork will bend. Just give it a second.
Maybe it's too tall of an order?
I don't understand. It always works.
Isn't it supposed to be a spoon? Isn't that the magic trick? Spoon bending?
It shouldn't matter.
It's worth a shot.
Okay. Here we go.
Maybe it's too much pressure with us watching.
I don't understand. It always works.
I've got a magic trick I can do. I can make some of those brownies disappear.
I can do the same trick.
All right. Just give me a second. It's clearly a bad batch for magic. We can try again in a second. Enjoy the brownies.
I just want this square here. You can have the rest.
A tall order, but one I'm happy to attempt.